Alright, I got some information about nobody gonna travel in Indonesia till 1st of June. The 1st of June, nobody. Domestic, international, in between islands, nobody. They plan to prevent the C_19 pandemic, of course. This is good. Because at the middle of the May is the finish of the Ramadan and the millions of Indonesian people coming to Bali as elsewhere for the holidays. So this is actually a very good step to prevent the current pandemic. And then, because of that, is the very big traffic. Did you know as now in the Bali is only 160 people infected and in full Indonesia is 7.7 thousand. But the interesting thing is the Indonesia have 280 million people, and for example Australia have only 25, and Australia have less people than just Jakarta. In Jakarta is the most infected people. Anyway, the more infected people is in Java. So Bali is really safe, I could say. Yeah, anyway, like I said before, the flights will start running probably on the 1st of June. This is because of the Ramadan is finished at the end of the May, and after that the people coming for holidays. This is very good decision in my opinion, and I hope so we gonna start travel in June. However, the most friendly place to stay during the lockdown, during this pandemic situation in Bali right now is Sanur or Denpasar or something between that. Officially it's not lockdown, it's like you should stay at home because to prevent and everything, but it's not like in the other countries like in Thailand or in Philippines, as you have to have a special paper from the government, from police, and it's many checkpoints and everything. No, here is completely different. Indonesia really have a good score about the infected cases. It's really very low to compare to how many people living in this country. Other people who stay in the very touristic area, very famous area like Bandung Regency, especially Kuta, Canggu, Seminyak, area like that, Uluwatu, Jimbaran, and they have a worse situation because everything is totally closed and they have more patrols from the Pecalang and everything. In Sanur everything is very quiet, but still some people are working, and it's very friendly atmosphere. So this is the most important thing. You know, you should get a fresh air, sun at least once a day, just a little bit, because this is our system to prevent the natural way, to prevent any viruses. Overall, it's very friendly atmosphere in Bali, and it's very good place to stay during the lockdown. Officially, if you stay in the places like Sanur, Denpasar or something like that, should be no problems at all. I hear that some people have some problems living in the West Bali, anyway North Bali, like outside the center of Bali, and also was the situation, not so good situation in the Padang Bay Harbor, where is the famous harbor going to Gili Islands and Nusa Penida, but I'm not gonna talk about that in this vlog. If you're interested what's going on, just text me directly on the Instagram or comment below and go into Instagram and send me the private message. For sure I will answer you. Anyway, now is very good time in Bali, only for someone who stay there. You can have a very nice hotel, like a 5-star hotel for less than 600 bucks. Like a Hilton or Marriott or some very famous brand, or other hotel like I don't know, 4-star hotels for less than 250 bucks. This is so cheap. This is such a big deal. Like you can stay full month having breakfast, all benefits from having living in the hotel for full month, 30 days, for the price of the 2 nights in the New York City in the same hotel brand. So this is something positive during this lockdown. Maybe in next episodes I will tell you something more about the history of Bali and some interesting facts about Bali and local culture. Anyway, thank you for watching this episode. I'm Damian. If you don't know me yet, please subscribe and leave something about yourself. Don't forget to subscribe and comment. And look at that, the plane is coming. I'm not sure if you can see that, but see you next time. This flight was only cargo one.
I have seen you here before.